YouTubers and Grommies and Soil Sisters, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update for VeggieTales on the backyard decks container garden, and just to give a wide view of how we're doing. The foliage is thick as it can be, and things are really starting to come under control since I've sprayed for different white flies, leaf miners, and things, other than the groundhog and or raccoon that keeps coming to steal my tomatoes at night and also try to take the entire plant here with them. Have to find a way to get that under control. I've sprinkled some critter ritter all around, hoping to distract them. But as you can see, different varieties of indeterminate tomatoes. I have a pineapple growing back there. Just some beautiful flowers that are coming up. Carrots that are coming that last year, these were excellent. They actually tasted like candy when you ate them, especially raw. This is a miniature variety that I got off of Amazon, and I'm hoping to find those again. Carrots, ladies and gentlemen. We're moving forward. While I've never had the pleasure of eating eggplant, I planted some for kicks and giggles, and they appear to be doing quite well. So if anyone has any advice for me on how to prepare them, I would greatly appreciate it. Looks like I got Mr. Bumblebee hanging out here in the garden, a welcome visitor, because they're going to assist with pollination, so no harm, no foul there. I've got some green pepper coming along here, and the vining plant, which is either cucumber or zucchini, has attached itself to that pole. I've got two different varieties of celery coming. This one has just basically exploded. I doubt I'll need to buy any celery for the next year or so. Collards here and or kale, I believe those are. Next door to some chives. Those are going to be really good on a nice baked potato or in a salad. I have more collards here up front. And then of course the star attraction of the garden are spicy tomatoes. Forgive my finger there. Star of the garden, spicy tomatoes. Coming full circle here, I believe is either a cantaloupe or another variety of cucumber and or zucchini. Kale. And this was a volunteer plant that had come up in my pot. Not sure what the heck it was, but it was getting a bit out of control, so I did decide to take it out. And this will become a new strawberry pot. More indeterminate tomatoes. Some of the Roma and of the cherry variety. And again, hopefully able to get some of those and keep the critters from beating me to them. Pole beans. Red cabbage bringing up the rear. Some yellow onions. I forget what those are there. Possibly more cabbage. This is okra coming up. More collards. Asparagus. Although I know that I won't be able to enjoy that until next season or the season after. We have watermelon that is coming. The bee just decided to leave and to tell me a goodbye as it buzzed past my ear. Leaves, they're looking just a little tinged because I sprayed them for white flies and or leaf miners, but other than that, she appears to be healthy. Looking for some flowers to come and some buds, so I may get some melon before the season ends. This is another pepper plant that I had wintered over, I believe the source of the white flies, but she is recovering, so we'll let it do what it do. Another small tomato here. Can't remember what those were other than the okra. I'm proud of this one. This is a key lime plant from seed that I overwintered. It was looking bad before I brought it outside. It is starting to bounce back after being heavily fertilized. Some marigolds to keep out some of the undesirable critters and or insects. I'm going to spread them around, repot them. Another indeterminate tomato plant. White potatoes. Yams are coming shortly. I do not remember what I planted here, but again, it's looking just a little mad at me from the spray. And then of course another pineapple plant. Then I'm going to spin around. The piece of resistance is the lemon tree that I planted from seed that I bring in every year. She probably needs to be pruned back, but she is much taller than me and will require a ladder for me to get up there and do that, and especially before time to bring her back in over winter. Hoping that I'm able to get her small enough where she fits back inside the house. I had the pleasure of a robin building a nest here in the tree this spring, and then of course a rainstorm came and knocked the tree over and spoiled the time for the robin eggs, but I did go ahead and rope it off just in case another robin would decide to try to make this home for the season. I thought it would be interesting to see what hatched and to actually just partake in that whole process. Anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and spin back around and give you one more once over of the VeggieTales container garden on the deck. We'll give you more updates as the season continues. Also, this is one of just several attempts for outdoor spicy tomatoes. And so again, I'm used to indoor and DWC, and I think she's doing okay. She looks healthy. There are no bugs. But again, I think that it might be time for recharge. So again, comment below, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Shout me out. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. I do appreciate the support and camaraderie from the community. This is your girl T from There She Grows 420. Wishing you a beautiful Saturday weekend, especially for those here in Ohio in the land. We'll see you on the next vlog. Out.